Hi friends, welcome to Parul's kitchen. Today we are making eggless chocolate mug cake. It's so yummy and easy to make. So let's get started. We need 1/4 cup plain flour or maida, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons choco chips, 1/4 cup milk, 4 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence, half teaspoon baking powder and pinch of salt. In a mug, add all ingredients: maida, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, pinch of salt. Mix all dry ingredients very well. Now add all wet ingredients: oil, vanilla and milk. Mix it very well. And make sure no lumps left. Add choco chips, mix it, add some on the top, microwave it for 2 minutes. Our chocolate mug cake is ready to eat. Yummy. You should try this mug cake. It's so yummy. Like this video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.